Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me, and I also have a special guest in the kitchen with me this week. This week I have my dearest mother-in-law, and she will teach you guys how to make the perfect fried dumpling or fried bakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's CallyKitchen_1. So here I have some brown sugar. I also have cornmeal. I also have a piece of margarine. Also, I have some water, and it's a possibility I might not use all of this water. I also have baking powder. I also have some all-purpose flour, and of course I have some salt. And I also have a small spoon, and I also have my bowl to make my dumpling in. So what she's gonna do now, she's just gonna go ahead and add the baking powder to the flour. So once again guys, all of the ingredients for this fried dumpling or fried bakes will be in the description box. Make sure you go ahead and check out all of the ingredients that she uses. And also remember to follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen, and follow me on Instagram, it's CallyKitchen_1. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you can be notified. Okay? So she's just going to go ahead and add the cornmeal. And of course, she's just going to go ahead and add the salt. Alright guys, so if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you want to see her in more videos. Alright? So she's just going to go ahead and add the brown sugar. And of course, she's just going to go ahead and combine all of the dry ingredients together. She was telling me that the reason for doing this is she wants to ensure that all of the ingredients is evenly distributed. So she's ensuring that she's doing this properly. So she's just going to take her time and combine them together. And guys, please note that these dumplings are simply the best. They taste so good. So now what she's going to do, she's just going to go ahead and she's going to add the margarine. Of course, she's going to take her time to just ensure that the margarine is finely crumbled until it resembles breadcrumbs. Also, you want to ensure, as she was telling me also, that you want to ensure that your margarine is crumbled properly, because when you fry your dumpling, it's a possibility that it might burst and then, you know, it cause a accident in the kitchen. So you want to ensure that you crumbled your margarine properly so that when you start frying your dumpling, it doesn't burst and cause a damage in the kitchen. So as you can see, she's taking her own time. And I'm also assisting her. So now it's time for her to go ahead and crumble her margarine. And as you can see, the margarine is already crumbled. So now it's time to go ahead and to add the water to start making your dough. Alright guys, so she's just making up this dough. So remember now guys, you want to always ensure that your margarine is crumbled with the dry ingredients, and also you want to ensure that the margarine is finely crumbled until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then you're going to go ahead and add the water. Now, some persons might ask, can I add milk? Yes, you can add milk, but she's just using water. So she's just going to go ahead and she's just going to make up her dough. Also, it's a possibility that she might not use all of this water, and it's 1 cup of water, so she might not use all of the water. So at the end, we're just going to pour the water onto flowers or just pour it outside. So guys, while she's doing this, also please note that she has her frying pan on the stove already heating up. So she's just going to go ahead and make up her dough. So once again, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tell your friends, your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's CallyKitchen_1. Follow my business page. It's Accessories by Leams. Also, guys, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And also remember to check out the description box also. You will see most of the recipes. For the last couple of videos that I uploaded, I did not put any recipe. I don't know why, but the last video that I uploaded a couple days ago, I add the recipe to the description box. So make sure you go ahead and check this out. All right, guys, so once she's finished making up the dough, she's just going to put it together. Then she's just going to put it to the side for roughly 15 minutes for it to rest. And then she's just going to come back and show you what she's going to do next. All right, guys, so after 15 minutes, she already started to just separate the dough. She started to make, take off small pieces to start to fry, and we did not catch that part on camera, and I apologize. All right, so as you can see, she's just separating the dough, so she's removing small pieces, and also she's just gonna get a dry plate with some flour on the plate, and she's just gonna go ahead and she's just gonna show you how she's gonna make her dumplings. So as you can see, I just put the plate down and I'm just gonna add some flour onto the plate. And the reason for this is that she doesn't want, when she make the dumplings, it stick onto the plate. So she's just adding some flour. Alright guys, so once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. If you want to see my mother-in-law cook some more for you on my channel, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and she will definitely come back. Alright guys, so she's just going to show you how she's going to make up her dumpling. As you can see, she's making a ball. She's making the dough into a ball first, and then she's just going to use her hand just press down on the dough. And then it's basically like when you're making boiled dumpling. So if you have ever made boiled dumpling before, then it's the same procedure or the same thing that you always do. So she's just showing you how she go about making her dumplings. And then she's just gonna place them on the dry plate with the flour. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start frying the dumplings. As you can see, the oil is very hot. So now my mother-in-law make up all of her dumplings. So now we're just going to go ahead and add them to the oil. And at this point, I am doing it for her. So guys, she also told me that once my dumpling fried on one side, I should just use the fork and just make some holes in the dumpling, and that way it will soak better and it will fry easier. So you can go ahead and try that out. So as I said before, she told me that once it's fried on one side, what I should do is just go ahead and make some holes, not some big holes, but some small holes, and that way it will soak better and it will fry better. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and turn my dumplings. So as you can see, they're coming along quite fine. So I'm just going to turn them over on the other side and allow the other side to fry. And guys, this fry within 5 minutes. No joke. Within 5 minutes, it's all ready. And guys, also, please note that it might look hard on the outside, but it's really nice on the inside. So guys, I'm just going to fry the others and then I'm going to show you the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my fried dumplings or fried bake. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you tried this recipe and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Once again, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for all that you guys have done for me. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.